Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of November. Now, as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the Venus sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what's going on with the Geminis. What's there for you, Geminis? Let's see what's there for Geminis. Okay, we have the Five of Wands, the Eight of Cups, the Two of Cups, okay, the World, the Knight of Pentacles, the Four of Wands, the Five of Cups, Empress, the Two of Swords. Okay. Let's see. So already two cards are flying out. There are many cards, not two. Okay. So I'll shuffle again and see. Oh my god, what is it? Cards are just flying for you. So let's see what is the message for Geminis from this deck. Okay. So we have the Eight of Spades, guidance from the angels for Geminis. Nine of Thought. Okay, so Geminis with the Five of Wands, definitely you are dealing with some sort of a conflict, an argument, fight, whatever it is, and you are walking away from this fight. Okay, so there has been a point when you are perhaps trying to convince others for something, or trying to put your point across, but nobody is listening to you, and you just leave the situation. Okay, and here you are moving towards the Two of Cups. So maybe you are trying to convince your family or your friends for this relationship, because to me it is a relationship you are moving towards after perhaps trying to convince someone for this relationship, and when you are not able to convince this person or this group of people, you just leave that situation because you see no point in trying to convince them. It is not yielding any results, so you just move away from them towards your Two of Cups, towards this relationship. Now this can be some other situation also, or maybe your current relationship, it can be that also. So there is some sort of a conflict going on which you choose to leave after you realize that there is no point in struggling for it, and you are moving towards a relationship which is very balanced. You feel very loved in it, and you want commitment in this. You want to start a family with this person or this relationship. You view this relationship as your long-term relationship basically. And here we have the World card also, so definitely it is a closure of a chapter and a beginning of a new chapter. So perhaps this is what is closing for you. It can be the energy of current relationship, it can be a energy of you trying to convince someone for this relationship. Whatever it is, there is something which you are leaving which is causing you conflict, an argument. There's no point, nobody is listening over here, and you are just choosing your path, and you are ending this thing and moving towards your own new beginnings. Okay, with the Knight of Pentacles and the Four of Wands, definitely you are moving towards a commitment in this relationship slowly and steadily. You are building stability for yourself, you are building stability in this relationship, and slowly in stability you are building things for yourself. So this is the new chapter of your life. What I feel here is this is just a relationship you've been moving towards, and then you decide to uh, it is sort of committed only, but here I see it is stepping up. I can say can be an engagement, can be a marriage, whatever it is, definitely a long-term commitment, a relationship, even a marriage, whatever it is, but it is definitely stepping up of the relationship over here. But with the Five of Cups, the Empress, and the Two of Swords, there is something which is upsetting you. Though you have achieved this over here, but there is something which is upsetting you, and with the Empress again, there is definitely a new beginning. With the Two of Swords again, here you are trying to withdraw yourself from people and trying to take some sort of a decision. That is also not a very good energy. Basically, you are disappointed over something. Perhaps you want a new beginning. Trying to take a decision, being to yourself, taking the time off to take a decision for something. For some of you can be a pregnancy. For some of you can be a pregnancy also. Yeah, I would just like to take some more cards on this just to see what it is. Again, Eight of Pentacles, the Four of Cups, the Judgment, okay, we have the Ace of Cups. See, what I feel here is, as far since you have obviously entered the new phase of your life and you are building stability with this person and entering into a commitment, even a marriage perhaps, or stepping up in some way, shape, or form. But with the Five of Cups here and with the Two of Swords, I think there is something, somebody here is putting in a lot of effort to make this relationship work perhaps, or maybe one person is investing too much and other person with the Four of Cups is comparatively disinterested or not investing, not doing much in the relationship perhaps. Maybe everything started very good, things were okay, you staying together, but in the gradually there is something which is happening that now this something can be because of this Two of Pentacles. Somebody here is indecisive, and here with the Two of Swords also the same thing is coming here, trying to take a decision over something. So what is happening, you or the other person, somebody here is indecisive, somebody is juggling, somebody is not able to make up the mind after this commitment. Second thoughts perhaps can be, or maybe one of you is investing too much in the relationship, other person is not investing that much in the relationship, is rather just sort of disinterested, and that is what is causing you to change your mind, can be that also. Maybe this person is not as interested as they seem to be initially, or not as much as you want, whatever the situation is, and that is what is upsetting you. With the Five of Cups, though you want a new beginning with the Empress over here, with the person, You want happiness, you want abundance, you want what you know what you deserve, but you're not getting it perhaps because you feel that you are the person who is investing all the time, the other person isn't, and that is causing you to be indecisive and juggle this situation as to what should be done because you know your worth, you know what you deserve, you are not ready to accept this nonsense which is going on, that why is the other person not investing. And maybe that is what is troubling you. You're just trying to take a decision over here. Can be the other person that you have to see in your situation. Okay, and here what I feel is with the Judgment and the Ace of Cups following the Magician, what I feel is I think you will give a second chance to it. That is what your decision will be. And with the Magician following the Ace of Cups, because the thing is there are a lot of emotions in this relationship. The only thing is that the person is being disinterested or not investing much. But perhaps you're just trying to take a decision and sort it out as to what to do. And perhaps the decision which you will take is because this person is somebody whom you love a lot. At least there is a lot of love maybe in this relationship, maybe this is the transient phase for some reason, but with the Magician you will work things again. That's what I feel. Judgment and the Magician, I think, because it is overall there are a lot of emotions in this relationship. So with the Magician and the Judgment, what I feel is you will try to work things together once again. You will try to the decision what I feel is will be that you will try to give it a second chance and you will just try to maneuver things in a different way or talk to the other person in a different way or handle the situation in a different way perhaps. But you are ready for a new beginning over here with the Judgment, which is talking about a reset button sort of. So the decision which you take over here is trying to give it a one more chance. That's what I feel, towards this emotional fulfillment, towards this new beginning, which is the goal. That can also be there with the Ace of Cups. Let's see, in this is the Justice card, the Eight of Spades. So here things are getting balanced, things are getting sorted out. So that I think you are taking a decision. Ultimately, that's what it is. Justice is also taking a decision and balancing and taking the right decision. So that's what you are doing over here. With the Nine of Thoughts as the guidance from the angels, stop being so hard on yourself and turn your thoughts towards the positive. There is no need to worry. Anticipating the worst isn't helpful. Know that the heaven will provide you a solution. If you are experiencing sleepless nights or anxiety over a challenge in your life, release the problem to your angels. So that's what I said. There is no need to be so hard. Just that's what you will be doing. You will be taking the right decision. You will be balancing out the situation and you will give a second chance to this relationship, moving towards your emotional fulfillment once again, because you know there is love in this relationship. It can be sorted out and you are ready to invest, you are ready to maneuver it or handle it in a different way. Okay, I've already put down many cards. Anyway, let's see what is the guidance for the universe for Geminis. I need to take this card. Two of Wands, again decisions, decisions, decisions. Three of Swords, feeling hurt. Ten of Wands, trying to unburden the situation. You're feeling burdened in this situation, you want to unburden it, and perhaps you will unburden it by dealing with it in a different way. Knight of Swords, somebody moving very very fast towards you will get that clarity. You will understand how to sort it out. You will understand how you're supposed to handle this situation. Okay, and once you are able to, because actually somebody is working very hard, so obviously this person is working hard because this person is interested. Okay, so obviously if there is a lot of emotion, there is a lot of work which is being put in, it has to be sorted out because there is an inclination to sort it out. So Geminis, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps and please subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.